Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, everybody. I'm Olivia.
And I'm David. If this is your first time listening, please subscribe.
Yes, click that subscribe button. We love having you here.
Olivia, I have something to tell you.
What is it, David? You look very excited.
I am excited. I have a big plan for Saturday.
A plan? What plan?
A big plan. A very big plan.
David, you're making me nervous. What is it?
Wait, let me tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
But first, listeners, today we're going to learn something very important.
What are we learning?
How to invite someone. How to make an invitation.
Oh, like asking someone to go somewhere with you?
Exactly. And we'll also learn how to talk about preferences.
Preferences?
Yes, what you like and what you don't like.
That sounds useful.
It is. So, are you ready to hear my plan, Olivia?
Yes, tell me.
Okay, Olivia. Saturday, I have 2 tickets.
2 tickets? Tickets for what?
Wait, I want to ask you properly.
Properly?
Yes, with a nice invitation phrase.
Okay, go ahead.
Olivia, would you like to go to a football match with me?
A football match?
Yes, a football match on Saturday.
Oh, David.
Wait, listeners, did you hear that phrase?
Which phrase?
Would you like to? This is a very polite way to invite someone.
That's right. Would you like to plus a verb.
For example, would you like to go to the cinema?
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Would you like to visit the museum?
It's very polite and friendly.
Exactly. So, Olivia, would you like to go to the football match with me?
Well, David, I don't know.
You don't know, but it's going to be amazing.
A football match?
Yes, a football match on Saturday.
Oh, David.
What's wrong?
I need to think about this. David, I have to be honest with you.
Honest? About what?
About football.
What about football?
Well, I don't really like football.
You don't really like football?
No, I don't.
But why not?
Football is boring.
Boring? Football is not boring.
For me it is, and it's very loud.
Loud?
Yes, the stadium is so loud. All the fans shouting?
But that's the fun part.
Not for me, David. I prefer quiet activities.
Quiet activities?
Yes, I prefer to read a book or watch a movie at home.
Oh, no.
Listeners, let me explain this phrase. I prefer.
Yes, this is important.
I prefer means you like something more than another thing.
Can you give examples?
Sure. I prefer tea to coffee. That means I like tea more than coffee.
I prefer summer to winter. That means I like summer more.
Exactly. So I prefer quiet activities. I like them more than loud activities.
I understand, but Olivia,
Yes?
football is not boring. It's exciting.
Maybe for you, David, but not for me.
And we can also say, I don't really like when we want to be polite about not liking something.
That's right. I don't really like is softer than I hate.
For example, I don't really like spicy food.
I don't really like cold weather.
It's a polite way to say you don't like something.
So, David, I don't really like football. Sorry.
But Olivia, please, let me try to change your mind. Okay, Olivia, I understand you don't really like football.
Thank you for understanding.
But can I tell you why this match is special?
Okay, tell me.
First, it will be very exciting.
Exciting?
Yes, my favorite team is playing.
Your favorite team?
Yes, and they're playing against their biggest rival.
Hmm.
And the fans? The fans are amazing.
The fans?
Yes, they sing songs, they dance, they wave flags.
That sounds loud.
Well, yes, but it's fun.
I don't know, David.
Wait, I have one more thing.
What?
We can eat hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Yes, big stadium hot dogs
Hmm?
with ketchup and mustard.
I do like hot dogs.
And we can drink soda.
Really?
Yes, we can eat and drink and watch the match.
Listeners, notice David is using we can.
Yes, we can is a great phrase for making suggestions.
It's like offering different options.
Exactly. We can go to the beach.
We can have lunch together.
We can watch a movie.
It's friendly and not too pushy.
Exactly. So, Olivia, we can go to the match. We can eat hot dogs. We can have fun.
The hot dogs sound good.
They're delicious.
And big?
Very big. Stadium hot dogs are the best. Come on, Olivia. Say yes.
Okay, David. Let me think.
Take your time.
You said big hot dogs?
Yes, very big.
And soda?
Yes, any soda you want.
And you'll be very happy if I go.
Very, very happy.
Okay, maybe just for the hot dogs.
Yes, thank you, Olivia.
But David, if it's too loud, I'm leaving.
Deal. If it's too loud, we can leave.
And if it's too boring.
It won't be boring. I promise.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Great. This will be so much fun.
I hope so.
Okay, listeners, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, quick review time.
First phrase, would you like to?
This is for making invitations, asking someone to do something with you.
Would you like to go to the match?
Very polite and friendly.
Second phrase, I don't really like.
This is for politely saying you don't like something.
I don't really like football.
Not too strong, not too rude.
Third phrase, I prefer.
This is for expressing preferences. What you like more.
I prefer quiet activities.
I prefer books to movies.
And finally, we can.
This is for making suggestions and persuading someone.
We can eat hot dogs.
We can have fun.
Perfect.
Now, listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to know.
Do you like football?
Or do you prefer other sports?
Maybe you prefer movies or reading.
Write in the comments. Tell us what you prefer.
We love reading your comments.
And we want to know your preferences.
Okay, everyone, before we finish,
This is important.
thank you for listening to Daily Talking.
Don't forget to subscribe
Click that subscribe button.
and give us a like.
Share our podcast with your friends.
We have more great lessons coming soon.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
And Olivia, see you at the match on Saturday.
Yes. See you there for the hot dogs.
Haha, perfect.
Goodbye.